Well, we got one of these. Comes in a fancy dancy little case. And it's a saw. A chainsaw. Yeah, this is brand spanking new. I have not tried this out yet. Got a good little strap on it. Nylon. We will give it a swing on this log here. This stuff is pretty sun baked, hard as a rock. Let's see, toothies. Well, that was pretty badass. Well, this thing is totally unbranded. There's nothing written on it anywhere. They should write their name all over that. We'll try this on a different kind of wood. I'm not sure. What was this? Maybe. Hard to say. Well, possibly a spruce type of item. This stuff is like, yeah, you know, a mediocre sharp today. I mean, I haven't been hammering on too many rocks. Well, let's give this stuff. This has been a pain on me. Yeah, I got the right. Yeah. God, this stuff is hard. Damn. Voila. Cool deal. Well, that's a good workout. I got so excited, I stepped on my cheap cigar. But I'm pretty impressed, actually. You did good, old lady.